different injuries, you have to treat them in very different ways. So there's a big difference between something like you had, where it's a tendinopathy, an abusive load has caused changes in the tendon that then have to deal with that in quite a different way, to a muscle tear or a ligament sprain. Yep. So tissue types can get a bit confusing for people. So just to be very clear, a tendon is what attaches a muscle to a bone, and a ligament, which is the one that usually gets confused with that, is connective tissue that connects bone to bone. So when we're talking about tendon, muscle is attaching onto the bone, less contractile, more kind of the thing that's like gluing almost the muscle to the bone. And so a tendinopathy is probably something that you hear about, but people generally have a really hard time conceptualizing how to heal it, because the issue there is that doing absolutely nothing makes it worse, and doing too much makes it worse, which is quite different to then a muscle tear or a ligament sprain, where you've actually caused a tearing in the fibers, and you've got to wait for that appropriate healing to happen before you can load it. So